It's your girl here, Arami, Goddess Arami, Arami Choose, whatever you feel like calling me today. And I just want to say hello to all my frugalistas, my cheaperistas, and my thriftinistas. We are back at it again. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that button down below so that you can subscribe and see all of the new videos that I will be posting. They're going to get very exciting. We're going to have a lot of fun on my channel. So make sure you go and subscribe. All right. So
today
I ordered some things from Wish. I decided that I wanted to try lingerie. Not just any lingerie, but plus size lingerie. And yeah.
Wish doesn't know what plus size means. You'll understand when I do the try on.
No. It just doesn't work.
It's never gonna work. It's never gonna work. I ordered things in the biggest size that I could order them because I knew that anything clothing wise already ran small. So I could just about imagine how small lingerie would run coming from overseas. And I'm going to get the biggest size that they have to offer, which is in most cases was 2XL or 3XL. And Wish, I'm just gonna have to just keep watching and you're gonna see the struggle that I don't even know what to say. This is it.
First off, it's like completely confusing. Like, what? It's like there's threads
hanging off of it. And I believe I got this one in a, there's nothing on the tag. I think I got this one in a double XL. And this part right here is supposed to cover up the boobs. You see how this is the only coverage on this thing for the boobs, and then it has this like weird, you know, guys, it just doesn't work. Okay, it just there's no way that my body is going to fit into this, and just and I think I may have ripped it when I put it on. Yeah, no. This one is actually pretty great. This is a full fishnet bodysuit and has like neck piece around it. This actually fit pretty well. This was one size and it wasn't badly priced. I really enjoyed it. I could imagine wearing it under, you know, something, because it's completely fishnet. It's a full bodysuit and it's completely fishnet. But I think it fit pretty well. Yeah, this was a good deal. This one. This actually fit okay. You could just hear the strings and threads just popping the entire time that I was trying to put it on. But it's just really cheaply made, and I think I got this in a 3X. This is a size 3X, and it still was popping the entire time I was trying to put it on. And honestly, on the ad for it, it had Garter, these things, and then it had the stockings that go with it. And I thought it was the whole thing, but they sent me these freaking handcuff thingies that, let me show you, go around your wrist like this. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? I don't want this. Nobody keep me captive with this. Wow. Alrighty. So then we have this thing of strings. It's like a garter thingy, and it goes around your waist, and this part goes around your legs. You just have to see it on. It's great though. It stretches. Pretty much all it is just stretchy pieces of fabric that are conformed to be a garter. This was okay. This outfit I got in a 3XL, guys. And I just thought it was so cute on the model, and I was just like, if they have it in a 3X, then, you know, I would rather it be way too big than too little.
Even in a 3X is too little.
Like, so here's the top. The top fits okay. There's a lot of under boobage going on with this, and it stretches, so that's fine. It's see-through, so you have to wear some little things. The strings are very, 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 very short though. Very short, like ridiculously short. Like, why? But these bottoms that go with it, this thong, these bottoms was made for a 2-year-old, because if you think that anybody that is 3X is getting into this, there's no way. I couldn't even get this past my calf muscle. No way. Dead. This next one took forever to get here, like, but I fought myself for buying this one. It's really cute though. I fought myself at why it didn't flatter me, because I don't have perky boobs for this, so there's no support here, and it's just lace. So this is made for little booby girls or perky booby girls, because me and my boobs, they won't even, you would have to tape them up or something. It's really cute, and it's not that horribly made. It's very stretchy, you know. No ma'am, my boobs are not cooperating with this. It's made how it was supposed to be made. I just should have thought about this one. I actually got this a while ago, so I just decided to include it here. I really like this. I love this. It is as big as it can get. It's the biggest size. This was a 3X from Wish. Yes, so this was a 3X, and it fits me well. Like, I love the way that it fits. I love it. This covers up your boob, and you don't see nipple. It is see-through in the back, but this is awesome. I love the way that it fits. I love the way that it looks on my body, and it's very well made. It's very stretchy. It's not gonna fall apart. Maybe the embroidery might fall off the front of it, but who cares? But this is nicely made. I love this thing. I've worn it a few times actually, and I enjoy it. It cups my butt. My butt's in there. You know, it covers up my kulaka, and it covers up my boobs, and we are in there. Like, this is the sexy, okay? This is it. These I haven't tried yet, but I think they're gonna be really cute, and I'm gonna try them on a few actually. They're supposed to lace up in the back. So we're gonna go and see if these fit.
honey. No, ma'am. This one.
I knew when I seen it that it was going to fit. I knew when I pulled it out of the package that it was going to fit. I knew that my butt was getting in this. I knew that I would be able to put my boobs into this. Like this is the biggest size that they had in it, and this is a 3X, and I knew that this was going to work for me. And I think it's so cute, which is why I went ahead and I grabbed it and I ordered it.
But to my disappointment,
I ordered it because one of my few names is Goddess Around Me. And in the picture, it said Sexy Goddess. And I'm just like, oh, yes, win, win, win. That was made for me. When I got it, it said Sexy Baby. And I'm just so irritated by that because
It's not what I ordered. I wanted freaking Wish.
another thing is that on the advert, this is a full bottom. Like it's a full boy short bottom. And this is what I got with it. It's really cute and I like it. And I'm going to wear it. But I'm just angry because it was supposed to be boy shorts. And it was supposed to say sexy bodies. And the last thing that I got was these bottoms. And I got these in a extra large. This is not badly made. It looks like the picture. There's a few threads here and there, but it's stretched, and I know that it's gonna do my body justice. So yeah. And today, alrighty.